Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add a note on Facebook profile. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you will see your profile picture in the circle icon. You can see the one more option that is top of your profile picture, that is notes. If you will find the option here, you will just simply now tap on it and add a new note on Facebook profile. If you will not find the option, you will just simply go to the Facebook Messenger, and now you can tap on the profile picture at the top left corner of the screen, and here you will just simply share a thought or add a note on Facebook profile. Now you can tap on share and this is the way you can add a note on Facebook profile. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below.